Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Zapier with Google Calendar to automate your scheduling. First, log into your Zapier account on your browser. On the left, click Create Zap. This is where you'll build your automation. For the Trigger app, search for Google Calendar and select it. Zapier will now ask you to connect your Google account. Just click Sign in with Google, choose your account, and allow permissions. Now, pick a trigger event. For example, you can choose New Event so that whenever a new event is created in your calendar, Zapier will take action next. Choose your action app. This could be Gmail to send an email, Slack to notify your team, or even Todoist to create a task. Select the action you want, connect the app, and customize the details. Once you've set that up, click Test Zap to make sure it works. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Publish Zap. From now on, Zapier will automatically connect Google Calendar with your favorite apps, saving you time and keeping your schedule. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Google Calendar with Zapier to streamline your workflow.